Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing some accessories for my Canon EOS M100. Everything was actually under $100 and everything totaled up to about $66 in total. So I got two packages in the mail. One is this box and the other one is this envelope, and they're both from Amazon. So let's get started. So the first thing that I want to open up is this envelope. Let's check out what's inside it. So I have here my handy dandy scissors. Let's just open it up. There we go. Ooh, there's some bubble wrap right around here. What I have here is my tempered glass screen protector, and it comes in a pack of 3, and it's by Aquox. And this was about $11.99, so $12 from Amazon. So when you open it up here, there's this tape, so we have to cut that up. Here we go. So let's open her up. And it comes with 3 sets of wipes, dust absorbers. They're used to clear the dust on the screen when you're applying the tempered glass. And we have here 3 sets of tempered glass. So right here, there's 3 of them. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is the tempered glass right here. And it fits perfectly on my screen. So yeah, it comes with 3 of those, and I'm really happy with this purchase, as it was only 12 bucks and I got 3 out of it. So whatever happens to one of them, I can easily replace it with the other one. Okay, so moving on to the next package. This is the bigger box right here. So let's open her up. So there's some tape here that I just have to cut up. Right here. Let's get this boy up. Go. There we go, voila, it's open. So this is what the box looks like inside. Here's just some bubble wrap, and there's 3 things in here. So let's start with the smallest thing. So this right here is the U-Share's camera mic windscreens, and what this does is it basically helps improve the audio quality of your camera when it's windy. So let's open her up. So here we can just peel that open. Okay. Alright, and it has 2 packs in here, right here. So this is the adhesive that you attach to your camera, and these are the windscreens right here. So it looks about like there's about 8 in here, and this was $21.59. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. So they come with these tiny little adhesive pieces right here, and there's quite a few of them, so I shouldn't run out of them. One just fell on the floor. Great. Okay, and here are the windscreens. Okay, right here, and there's quite a few of them, more than 8 for sure. There's 10 of them, and that's what they look like. So the next thing I got was this mini tripod stand by Rafi, and it was $13. So this was actually the cheapest mini stand that I saw on Amazon. So this is what I bought, and oh, you can actually take it out from the bottom. Most of them were about $20 or more, but this was only 13 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. So here's what it looks like. It's about 7 inches, I would say, and it has these 3 legs that go apart like this, and then your camera attaches to this screw right here. And then you can press on this so that you can adjust the angle of your camera, as you can see. And the material of this looks pretty good. It's a matte black, and the finish looks pretty nice for $13. So the last thing I got was the Turpow LPE12 battery charger set, and it was $20. Let's open it up. Go. some instructions right here. And then we have the 2 batteries. And then we have the charger right here. So let's open up the battery and see what it looks like. So here it is. There it is. Looks pretty good, very light. And it comes with 2 of these, by the way. And here is our charging block. And you can actually fit in both of the batteries in here. As you can see, it has 2 inputs. And you can actually also see there's a screen here which shows the battery percentage of your batteries. Also, it comes with this cord. And this is so that you can connect it. It doesn't come with a charging block, but it has the cord right here. And it looks like an Android charger, basically. So yeah guys, that was basically everything I bought. I'll show you guys what it looks like on my camera in the next clip. So I started off by wiping down the screen with a wet wipe, then a dry wipe. Then I used the dust absorber to remove the dust off the screen. I then teared away the plastic layer, then applied it gently with my fingers. As you can see, even with the tempered glass on, the camera is still touchscreen. I then applied the adhesive pieces on the camera, making sure that the mics were in the middle of the holes. I then applied firm pressure while applying the wind muffs. Make sure that you install your wind muffs in the direction that your lens is pointing to. While connecting the tripod to the camera, I held the camera in one hand while twisting the tripod in the other. As you can see, while vlogging, the tripod has a very firm grip and allows you to move the camera from side to side with ease. The tripod is strong enough to hold the camera, but allows you to adjust the angle with your hands. The battery port has a display screen that shows you the battery life of your batteries. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me unboxing some essential accessories for my Canon EOS M100. Let me know down below if you guys have any questions about any specific accessories that I got. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
1, 2, 3